How to use Sendit on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do to use Sendit on Snapchat is get the app. You can get it on your app store, and after you've downloaded this, open it up. After you open it up, this is what the interface should look like. So just choose your age, and after you choose your age, tap on enter, and after you do that, you will get a few pop-ups. So I'll just choose if you want to give it access or not, and then choose your gender. Now type in your phone number or just skip if you want to. Now right here you will see the last step where you can post your first Sendit. Now you can tap on ask me anything and then type in something. So I'll just skip this and do it all together at the end. So this is what the prompt looks like. So right here you can edit on ask me anything, and yeah, I'll just type in surprise me and keep it like this, and then I'll just choose the background colors. You can choose it, and yeah, just after doing that, tap on share and add Bitmoji if you want to. I'll just tap on not now and then open Snapchat. Now what you can do is you can just paste the surprise me here, and after you click a picture you will get this option that says surprise me. Now all you need to do is you can add it to your story or you can send it to your friends. So I'll just add this to my story, and that's basically it. So you can go ahead to your story and view it, and if you tap to reply, now you can reply through Sendit, and people who view your story can do the same. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.